I've been in construction practically my entire life, and early on in my career, I was fortunate to be surrounded by very talented and organized tradespeople. It made a huge impression on me. A place for everything and everything in its place. As a young person, I was impressed how the tradespeople would roll into the job, unpack, work their shift, then at the end of the shift, they'd pack back up and roll out. I was still carrying metal toolboxes back then. It was a huge mindset shift. I realized being organized meant I'd be more productive. And as a tradesperson, that means making more money. But what if you're a DIY or a homeowner? Being more productive means finishing chores and home improvement jobs quicker so that you can do what really counts. Spend more time doing what you love and quality time with loved ones. So, does that mean you gotta spend a ton of money to get organized? Over the years, I sure spent truckloads of cash, and it was worth every penny. But Ryobi doesn't seem to think so. They just launched the Link Modular Storage System. The thing looks crazy, like it has a solution for almost everything. There's no way it can be this good. Welcome back. My name is Vince. It's nice to see you. What impresses me about this new Link modular storage system from Ryobi is that it's not just for the job site. Yes, they designed it with all the trades in mind, with various sized toolboxes that interlock and a rolling base, but they also state that they built this system keeping in mind outdoor enthusiasts, disaster relief, first aid, personal trainers, event planners, and interior designers. Here's another little tidbit that sets the Link apart from other modular storage systems. They built the system with homeowners and DIYers and shade tree mechanics in mind by including modular wall mounting systems so that you can build out a home shop. To my knowledge, there's no other modular storage system that offers that feature. Let me know down in the comments section below if I'm wrong. But another fun fact about Ryobi's Link modular storage system is that it's made in the USA. I reached out to them about this, and they shared with me that they built a factory in Michigan for this very product line. It's crazy. Some of you will say, it's Ryobi, it can't be this good. I'm looking at you, Chaka Gillis. But you have a global company that is investing in the US economy. That's one more reason to consider taking a look at the system, in my opinion. And here's the deal. If you wanted to get started organizing your home garage, Ryobi has a 7-piece wall storage starter kit. The price is $59.97. They have a tool organizer shelf. It's $64.97. They have a hanging shelf at $49.97. You can buy additional wall rails and hook sets so you could build out your garage or janitor's closet the way you like. And for all the contractors and hardcore DIYers, they have all kind of interlocking boxes. The base box has 9-inch wheels, a common locking interface that will work throughout the system, a 200-pound load capacity, and an IP65 rating. Once again, made in the USA, and it's crazy competitive pricing. The price is so good, there's no excuse to be disorganized ever again. And if you like never being disorganized, then smash the like button because it's free for you to do. It helps out the channel immensely, and you'll get 7 years of good luck. There's no good reason not to.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here in the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.